back to the channel, man. Today I have something that I don't know why I did this, bro. I have no idea. So I did do some work over the weekend, as you can see, a little teaser right here. And I did end up getting a brand new alternator. Here's my starter, but my starter's good. And what I think I'm gonna do is go ahead and just clean this thing up. If we have to, we'll paint it or something. But I think that the starter is salvageable. I just wanted to get a new alternator because if you guys don't remember, it was freaking covered in axle grease. Anyhow, guys, the video that I was working on for today's upload, I didn't get around to finishing it. You know what I'm saying? So, but I most certainly have some updates coming on the engine because I've made a lot of progress, and there's still a lot of progress to be made, of course. But I figured, why not? I don't like leaving you guys with nothing on Monday. You know what I'm saying? It just beats me up inside whenever I don't have a freaking video from Monday. So I figured I'd at least show you guys what it is I picked up last week. Turn right. All right, straight. Straight. Right. All right, so I picked up another EF, and to be honest with you, I have no idea why I did it because, I mean, when I looked at the car, okay, I got it for cheap as shit, okay? Before anybody says anything about money and it could go towards the khaki Civic, I got this car for cheap as hell. Like, I can literally sell these seats right here in the condition that they're in right now and make my money back. So that's the reason why I got it, bro. I got it for a really, really good deal. And I don't know, I mean, to be straight up with you, it's kind of a junker. It's kind of a junker, but I mean, it is straight, dude. It's got this dent right here, but you already know I can take care of that. It's got some problems. You know what I mean? Yeah, the popping door, and there's no carpet. But look at this, dude! A freaking stock steering wheel. I haven't seen a stock steering wheel in forever. Yeah, it came with these Corbeau. I've never known how to say that. Okay, never have. As you guys can see, I mean, it's only a shell. There's no engine. The guy that I bought this from, the car had a B16 in it, so it was B-swapped. The guy I bought it from, he only got it for the engine. They pulled the engine out and they sold the shell exactly how it was. So for the most part, the only thing this car really needs is a swap, and I mean, it was a running and driving vehicle, but of course, it needs a lot more than that for it to look halfway decent because it's filthy. There's an engine harness, that's a plus, though it does look like it's a little janky, a little chopped up. Hannah, can you try to open the back for me? Pull up on it, and I'm gonna pull the release. I wasn't able to get it to open. There we go. There we go. Don't let it go. Will it stay up by itself? No. Try. No. Of course not. So I do have a stock fan and a stock radiator that came with it, and holy shit, there is a spare that has a little bit of body damage. Yeah, the seats are pretty sun faded, but it is what it is. And holy fucking dude, look at that. Jesus Christ, what an exhaust. Wow, dude. He said that he thinks this is like an eBay exhaust or something, but holy crap, man. That thing is huge. The camera will fit inside of it. Now, what's my plan for this car, dude? To be honest with you, I have no freaking idea. I bought it because of how cheap it was. I figured I could probably, if anything, just put it in the backyard and I could sit on it until we decide to do something with it. Or we could even just clean it up a little bit, maybe put a single cam in it and sell it and try to make a little bit of a profit off of it. I have no plans. I have no plans with it. I just got it because it was cheap, so. But on the plus side, we are really close to finishing up the khaki Civic, and this car has a lot of little things, dude, like nuts and bolts, you know, little wiring harnesses, I don't know, little stuff that I could possibly need while I'm finishing up the khaki Civic, getting all the little stuff dialed in and finished. At least we have a whole nother car sitting here that I could possibly pull parts off of, you know what I'm saying? Hi, Hannah.
Hey.
She's sitting over here making little noises. I think she wants attention. Let me guess, follow you on Instagram, right?
I don't remember.
Yeah, she don't have an Instagram because I took it away.
You better get back.
Anyhow, guys, like I said, I'm not sure what it is we're gonna do with this car. I mean, I personally, like, I get attached to things, you know what I'm saying? I hate to get rid of stuff. To me, I really wanted mine to build another one. I don't know. We do have the 4-door out back, so I did just recently see a really clean EF hatch that was all stock body. Didn't have all the crazy stuff done to it that we've done to the khaki Civic. And I don't know, man, it looked really freaking nice. Simple and clean, which, I mean, the khaki Civic is nice, but it most certainly ain't simple. So most certainly hit the comment section down below. Let me know what you guys think about the car. I already know that most of you guys are gonna say sell it, stop spending money, finish the khaki Civic. I hear you, I understand.
They're moving the car. No, they're moving the car.
Oh yeah, there we go. Holy shit. That was so freaking close. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god, that was so close. Oh, I was just so pissed. Whew. That freaking close, dude. I swear, the garage door came down like right here. And I was standing over there at the switch and I thought to myself, wow, that door is really close to the wing. I am so glad that I hit it to come, oh my god. Anyhow, guys, I hope that you're excited. I have done some recording. If you guys see that there's definitely some progress that's been made here. We got the transmission bolted up. That video is gonna be coming out later on this week. You know what I mean? I didn't get around, I didn't get enough time to actually get that finished. But just know, I'm not doing stuff without you guys. I'm not doing stuff without you, I'll never do that. Let me know what you guys think we should do with the shell. Should we clean it up, flip it, just sell it off? I don't want to part it out. I know that I don't want to part it out. Or should we just keep it? Should we just keep it and eventually do something with it? You know what I mean? I will say I've always wanted to lift a Honda. I don't know about a hatch necessarily, but I've always wanted to lift a Honda, bro. So, I mean, shoot some ideas down in the comments, you know what I'm saying? I will most certainly say that I am glad to now not have an engine sitting on a freaking engine stand inside the garage, you know what I mean? Peace out, and I'll see you guys later, man.